Hey guys, so super undervalued narrative in crypto. I think you can make a lot of money in this space, in this ecosystem. And what I'm talking about is decentralized science. Now, you see, most of these, for example, AI gained over 100% in from basically from January to December in 1 year. But if you are looking at decentralized science, it basically went up like 2,140%, which is around 26x on average for the whole ecosystem, which is insane. That's why I think after basically this bio protocol, this coin bio basically went live on Binance, everything went crazy. And I think 90% of people in crypto still don't know about decentralized science. Everyone's crazy about meme coins, about AI. I think AI is basically switching. Crypto is switching from meme coins to AI as the main narrative. But in my opinion, what you have to do is look for undervalued, basically projects that are on the horizon that people are not yet jumping in. And if you want to check for some alpha, and I myself found this recently, just scrolling on Twitter, you can find some from Mezari Crypto. This project is talking and showing some stats about basically decentralized science projects. You can see Ethereum is basically the biggest ecosystem, but Solana is coming really strong, and there are even meme coins in this decentralized science space. And more reasons why you should do your research and research some DeSci coins is this. So you see, Vitalik actually is really bullish on this narrative, because this is an actual utility, not like meme coins. And I think the utility plays will be big when we get deeper in a bull run. We are still basically in not that crazy of a crypto bull run. I think when president takes his spot, that's when we will start like crazy moves on upsides. Now, more bullish facts is that Brian Armstrong actually posted this in 2022 in the last bull run. He actually mentioned these two projects, and here you will see Research Hub, and let's see on CoinGecko. You can see Research Coin value right now is $135 million. So let's see where it was, for example, 3 months ago. You see, 3 months ago, it was at 0.2, market cap 22 million. So you could make at least 6x if you followed this narrative. You can see it was also almost, it was much lower. And yeah, in 2023, it was like nothing, $1 million market cap. And CZ as well is reading about biotech. You can see he basically is encouraging people to use crypto to accelerate research funding there. These are real utilities, not like meme coins, or not as, meme coins are not as serious as this, but that's why I think this is a huge narrative. And if you want to find some alpha, you can just write this DESCI on X, on Twitter, and you will find the latest alpha. There are many people talking about, writing threads. Also, Andrew Kong said this decentralized science season, and here you can see the top projects and basically ranked by categories like funding, ecosystems, publishing, review, and even memes. That's why I will leave some links in my YouTube description, so you can research yourself, because I myself, I just found out about this basically narrative, and I still think the AI will be the biggest narrative in the next 2 months. That's why don't fade AI. I know many people are still holding their coins from 2023, maybe from 2021, but I urge you to look for the new narratives, similar to when in 2021 NFTs became the new narrative. I myself took so long to basically jump in, but I still made some good money, but most of the people were not jumping in NFTs. That's why my advice is always change the narrative, and how you can see which narrative is basically going up the most. You can just write Kaito AI narrative, for example, and it will show you the current narratives, and they are posting frequently. You can see, for example, in December, the AI took 38%, 38.47% in mindshare. This means that people on Twitter talked about AI crypto. The third of the people were talking about AI, only 17% about meme coins, and less about DeFi gaming. Right now, I think in January, the AI narrative is like 60%, so it is growing. Meme coins are slowly going down. And if you are looking at latest, maybe they will show us. So here you can see, if you're looking today, AI narrative 57%, insane. And again, based on this data, if you can see, the biggest gainer again is decentralized science, really under the radar narrative. And here I will actually leave this category because you cannot find it through CoinGecko. You have to Google it, but I will leave this link so you can see the projects and you can see how big were the pumps in the last 7 days, 24 hours, 200%, 100%, 100%. This is insane. And look at the market caps, 13 million. Like, this is nothing. If you are thinking about serious projects, serious utility, decentralized science, because there is so much basically bad things happening around science in America, in the world. That's why I agree that decentralized science is a really important thing that should be funded, and is funded right now, because as you can see, everything is pumping. That's why I will leave this link so you can do your research. I haven't researched basically 99% of these projects. That's why I have to do my research as well. But again, I'm just showing the alpha as I find it. Even if I don't even if I don't invest, I am not dumping on my followers. I just want you to find the alpha first. And if you're talking about alpha and meme coins, I actually went back in the Kiku's Maximus, the coin that Elon Musk was talking about, because it is holding quite good, and it also went up to like 18 cents in the last few hours. And I think looking at the fact that Elon Musk actually told in 2021 that he's holding 0 Shiba Inu tokens, and it went from $1 billion to $40 billion in market cap, says a lot. I think this could be a great runner if we are entering a crypto euphoria soon. This could go up because of that reason, just because he talked about it. But my recommendation is, if you want to invest, always understand this is really risky. I put some throwaway money, something that I can lose. I'm not scared of losing. That's why if you buy projects like these, really risky. Now, if you want to buy some crypto and get a $30,000 bonuses for trading, you can use my referral link in the description. I am basically using Bybit myself, and as a partner, I have a great deal for people that are signing up in my referral link. So if you want to use leverage, buy and sell the biggest coins, and 90% of coins are on Bybit. That's why if you want to get a big bonus, a referral link is in the description. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly, and you don't miss out on alpha like this, because I will be posting daily, finding new narratives, new projects, posting as soon as possible so we can win. I like people. I like see people winning. That's why. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.